Hey Google, play fire alarm sounds on volume max.
No. If you're here, Gaming Crypt, if you're here, Gaming Crypt, I would share my food with you. You and your girlfriend. I'll make three servings. You'd be lit. Hey, let's go! Give up!
Oh.
Oh no, I don't think they know how to do their job.
Oh my gosh. How could this happen?
Hi.
What if they're just hotboxing the store?
Look at these brave men and women that protect our lives every day.
$20 and I go in there.
No! You stay safe, Jacob. Stay safe.
Don't do it. You're gonna be disrespecting these nice people.
Okay, we'll try on this side again.
That's not gonna do anything.
Welcome back, Tierney. Casually walking in and out.
Hey, can you guys please back up for me?
Alright, where's a good spot, sir? It's like speed running. Did anyone time that? Alright, let's go out and talk to myself on a phone. It's okay, it's worth it for you guys. It was obvious. Snow is mad, you're not mad, you're forgiven and it's gone. It's alright. Snow can be forever mad. Just acutely honest, you joined. Why was Snow mad? Snow was mad at me because
into that bracket. Here we go.
if I can get you here with one finger, imagine what I can do with my whole hand.
Too cute, sort too cute.
But it's not outside my budget, so I'm okay. No matter how much Olga spends, I can keep up. Zia! 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 Alright. Let me put this chicken on the board and then I'll get in my Discord. My chicken is falling apart. Ooh. My palm hurts so much from getting burnt. This guy's gonna turn. His house is here. Fuck. We hit something. It's dead. Is that on camera?
WTF. Did you kill?
Is this an Xbox? Oh my gosh, Ping is mean just like you. Where you troll to try and make me angry and then it works. And you're like, ha 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 ha, you're triggered, Rose. And I'm like, shut
No,
up,
I don't
bitch.
laugh at you because you're triggered. I just think it's cool when you're cute. I mean, cool when you're
What?
angry.
Oh my god. It's cool when I'm cute, but I'm only cute when I'm angry? What? Oh my god.
I have
The breakup.
I have 3,000. I have 4 hours. I have 4,000.
Goes to Asian price
How
out,
much?
everything is cheap.
How much is that?
Yeah, but I
I
thought
also
it was
have
gonna
coins.
be way more. Because he was saying, Black was saying like something about $500, like $300.
Yeah. I get like the cheap stuff usually.
I buy a lot so the executive is worth for me.
Gin cocktail, the long drink from Finland.
Oh, you drink those
Do I
beers.
try this? It has an asterisk. That means it's limited
Give
time,
me
right?
all the liquor, I'm going to pour all my hopes and dreams down the drain.
Do you think this is good?
I heard you gotta spend at least $3,500 a month to make executive worthwhile.
Which do you want to cancel? The one at 9 p.m. or the one for tomorrow at 8:49 a.m.?
The one for tomorrow at 8:49 p.m.
Sorry, which did you want to cancel?
The one tomorrow!
I'm still not sure which one to cancel, so here are those choices again. The one at 9 p.m. or the one for tomorrow at 8:49 a.m. You can also say, never mind.
The one tomorrow at 8:49.
I'm still having trouble understanding.
What the
There's
fuck?
quite a noise in the background.
There's no freaking noise! Hey Google! Cancel alarm.
It looks like you have 2 alarms. Which do you want to cancel? The one at 9 p.m. or the one for tomorrow at 8:49 a.m.?
The one tomorrow at 8:49.
Okay, it's canceled.
Oh, thank goodness. Let's take that breathalyzer again. I know I said PM, but what the?
Hello guys, uno momento. Just fixing some stuff. Alright, here we go. Just flashed my whole entire album on my Google Photos. What's up, Gino? After bed? Okay.
I can just pay 30K.
Okay. You know, I'm open to helping small businesses and people around town.
An honorable man, I see.
Is there ATM around here? I don't have a phone, so I can't bank transfer right now.
Hey man, take this phone on me. On me.
There's also an ATM near the front door on the right if you need it.
Okay, I can just use.
Of Luciano's. Naldi on bottom.
Boss
Brody,
Santos will
Luciano,
prosper.
Disband your whole gang, your entire family tree. As you can see here, we're rioting. Let's go forward this way. We're rioting. All these cars are pink because we are repping Luciano gang. This is the meeting zone. All the fans over there.
Welcome
they keep
to the
coming
meeting.
and shooting us because we have pink cars, which is unacceptable. Just have a quick look. Look at these crazy cars. It costs so much money to do this. And here's all the supporters that are repping us. We have a dog. The dog is the number one leader. He's the enforcer of the Cuciano. He wants... Ma'am, shut the fuck up.
Her name was Key.
As you can see, these are all our supporters. We love them a lot and we do not discriminate or hate colors. And that is all.
Thank you,
Please
thank you.
support us.
Luciano's on top, pink like pussy. Let's go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Make approval. I think it's worth. I don't enter so
You're gonna get burning up. Oh my god.
Spicy ramen challenge. Whoa, look at my hair.
He had a shirt on under that? I didn't know he had a shirt on. What sense does that even make?
It makes lots of sense.
Oh, it's worse.
Okay.
It's so much worse.
Isn't it worse? I'm telling you, it's worse.
I have a headache.
Okay.
You don't like wipe my mouth. Do you want? Don't play.
Remember, no, I'm good.
Yeah, don't wipe your mouth. It's gonna make it worse.
Remember, we don't have milk, so don't eat more.
Eat the dumpling. Eat a dumpling.
I think squishing your mouth with oil helps.
And it's not quite 4 yet, so nobody can go get milk.
But I don't know if you want to squish your mouth with.
I am baby. Cuidado dos po. Ow. Where is the plant?
Circulating chemical.
Oh, thank God, bro.
Oh wait, wrong one. This. All I did was this, okay?
You. Oh. And Canada.
All I did was this. And this is what you guys deserve. This ain't beating my meat.
Two-piece combo.
This is a two-piece combo.
At Murasakabara gender.
Brother! This is...
It's very good.
Frick you guys. Frick you guys.
Flax, stop being worried.
Just let me laugh. Let me watch. Let me watch, chat. Just let me watch.
I am dead.
Let me watch the stream. Let me watch.
Yeah, how?
Okay. 18.
Hey, 18?
No. This is not how you do it. You gotta ask some questions. Okay. Do you file your own taxes?
Honestly, shouldn't have
Okay,
like
what was
7
your,
fucking
what was,
teen,
how
you know
much was
what
your
I'm saying?
last one?
Yeah.
You think video? Okay.
Yeah.
This girl's looking like fucking 17, you know what I'm saying?
17?
Yeah, but maybe she's like 25.
How old do you think her dad is?
File your own taxes. You have to be
Her dad?
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, so...
Oh, look. Wait, is he actually pooping? Oh, please don't poop on me. Ah, don't scratch my sunburns! Lick them back.
Suganamaniac. BRB.
It'll be crazy. Okay, Sug. If I'm not back, thank you so much for the follow and for watching.
Played in
I'll see you
Ateticas.
Monday.
Leon, the best I can watch is 240.
Really? Late night? Because of your
The
internet?
underscore flaming underscore blaziken. You ever fuck your dog cause you can't get laid?
Sometimes I wish I had a dog.
Sugin a maniac. No prob man.
Sometimes I wish I had a dog.
You're up on the break.
TF is cozy.
I know, right? Oh god. Oh my god!
How are you talking or dead?
Oh god!
Dead when I got in here, TBH.
Backed up.
Who TF is Turo?
Fuck up. He was running the middle of the road.
No, you backed up. We ran over him. Oh, actually, no, we ran.
Sir.
Go!
Sir, let's name things we don't do.
Dude, I thought she said I'm 1 inch.
Yeah, dye your hair pink, you fucking.
Ah! Why?
Let's name things we
Is
don't
she just
do.
collecting dead bodies?
I have to stop to pick up your ass for walking in the middle of the road.
Yo, this is Miami.
Sure, sure.
1 incher. Doesn't sound like she
I'm
lying.
gonna give you the nurse.
Yeah, pokey over anyone. Like, she's top E-grill, and then there's rank S E-grills, and then rank A E-grills, and then rank B E-grills, and then rank C E-grills, and then there's Rose. What's gonna happen, guys?
That's my fault.
What?
Walk in 5 soon.
Didn't jump
Don't fall.
far enough.
What?
See.
What just happened?
LOL.
Chat, clip it.
This time it was my fault.
It's not her fault.
What do you mean 2? Who else is sending me nudes? Huh?
No, wait, what?
Who else sending me nudes?
Not you. Evo's sending nudes to his bestie.
I wanna see. I need to figure out which platform these are sent on, so I gotta check them because I don't check them often.
What, Evo? I'm not the one who sends nudes.
Are you sure I need to add the tomato sauce from the fridge?
Flax, shut up, we can't hear her.
That's what you fear?
Flax, shut up, we can't hear her.
That's what you fear?
Yeah,
Well, I appreciate it.
I'm happy. I didn't want to seem weird, so I changed my name, but it looks like yours. I
Snoring Ezimer.
Thank you for all the bits.
Okay, Google, pause music. Flax, this is depressing to see you drive like this. Chat too funny. Okay, Google, stop music.
If I hate to move into your apartment, why?
Look.
Ew.
Egg flew into your apartment. Why?
Is it still okay to eat?
I don't want to see. Bye. It's moving. A chair or something. So when are we gonna grab a chair or something? Bro about to put mayo on his back soon. Bro about to put mayo on his back soon.
Is this open hamburger makeup? Yes, this is open hamburger. It's open faced face. Open faced makeup. More salt. More pepper. Is this an open hamburger? It could be. Could be an open faced hamburger. Actually, I have buns, but we can call it an. Alright, let's try this.
We probably just got the kids, but whatever.
Yeah. We got all the kids to clap. Yeah.
We should have a Calpico toast.
Calpico.
Alright, Calpico toast here.
Calpico.
Do we have enough?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we have.
Oh yeah.
If we don't have enough, we'll just split it.
Calpico toast. Zera mange de crêpe. Mange de.
Before this, so I don't know how these next couple intervals are gonna go. It could get ugly. Bear with me. 2, 1.
No way.
Okay, jog for
There's
just
no
a
way I can
second.
do a
Next
squat
up, we're
hold.
doing a squat hold.
Holy cow.
So just sinking down
No way.
and staying here for 40 seconds.
Oh my god. What?
Oh, they're already complaining.
No, there's no way. What?
So again, try to keep your weight in your heels. You can even lift your the pads of your feet up off the ground. That's how much you want to be leaning back.
Oh my god. Look how pale my thighs are. Holy cow.
Stay as low as you can. You can always pop up. Stretch them out if
Oh,
you need to.
okay.
Otherwise, stay down.
No, I wanna. No.
Bad news.
I can't do this.
Will really hurt. The good news is we only have 2 left. Whew, okay.
What the
Our
frick?
next one is a squat pulse.
This
So
is
same
torture.
thing, we're going
I'm
down.
gonna have thunder. Fire! What the fuck?
No, you just made him!
I'll help him!
Oh
help him!
It was a good run, Grace. I'll miss you, brother.
Help him!
You help him.
What the heck?
You just ran.
Holy cow!
I'm getting help. I'm getting help.
You're getting help. Grace is on freaking
No, you just ran.
You just dipped.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Let me try to extinguish him again. Grace is gonna
Wait, what the heck? Yeah.
Yo, can you take your wig off for the stream?
Okay, let's go. won't come off. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Ooh, super glue.
Yeah, I have to glue it on so that, you know, when I shake my head, it doesn't come off. It's pretty windy during the spring.
Don't do it.
Yeah, don't do it.
If you can't handle like just spice, don't do it.
Lick the chopstick.
Hmm?
Lick the chopstick.
licking the chopstick.
Yeah, see how hard it is.
It's the weirdest sentence I've ever heard.
Don't you not eat spicy?
Huh?
Don't you not eat spicy? No. She eats spicy and she's freaking out. Isn't it bad?
I can't even
It
get
makes
it
your
up.
ears like, I don't know.
Okay. Hold on, guys. Got it.
Right. I'm still smashing and flattening my penis though.
Proof.
Yeah, for commemorating our victory.
Hashtag vote
You guys hear that?
Yeah,
Yours
proof.
It's on my desk.
Proof.
Okay.
Proof.
Oh,
Oh God.
Asterisk.
I'm fucking.
Wait. That's enough.
Okay. Guys, it's just a joke. I wasn't actually doing that.
Oh,
Wait, it
what?
was just a joke.
Really?
I wasn't actually doing it.
God. Twitch, it was just a joke.
It was a banana. Twitch, it was a banana. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
Bro, you gonna spend money on new skin?
No, I don't have money on new skin.
Not like this.
Alright, that's me. Thanks for having me, Plax. Well, peace out.
No problem. I'll have you anytime.
Don't.
Jess will lead the way cause she can mimic the motions of axis, skinny and spastic. She said Jeopardy is fake, my love. Live life like it's practice, yo. Delilah put my order in the oven at 7:32. Oh, Delilah, it's a girl. A girl touched my pizza crust.
I don't know what series I'm on.
Wait, then how you watch YouTube? Whoa, you cheating on Kat?
Right, we're done.
I'm calling her.
Misclick.
LOL.
I have slept 2 hours today. I'm so bloody tired. We did it, chat. Running on 2 hours of sleep. Made 2 lasagnas from scratch.
So much.
Lol.
I mean, honestly, it does look like LP's haircut. Okay, honestly, it does.
Smell the set.